Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the photo where for wellness, and that will be at the centre here. You'll be on the page. It'll say you'll see this picture, and you just you click on wellness, and you'll be taken to the wellness page where we will do where I'll have all the videos about wellness on wellness topics, um, and where you can learn, how to do your slogans for your print-on-demand business, and that's what this is about: print-on-demand at Printful, which I recommend, and because they let you do it for free, they supply everything, they even train you as well. So a really great company here, that is willing to invest its efforts into creating its own customers by training you how to do this, how to do print on demand. But this is the only part that they don't teach you what to do. But they have a course, so I'll do this part. I'll show you how simple it is, because it is basically simple. For print on demand, you come up your slogans, your logos, your designs. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just get on with it, shall we? Okay, here we go. Here we go here. So, what shall we do here? Okay, I think I've got one. I've got one, yeah. This is one then. That's a good one. Listen to music to relax and chill out. So there's the first one. Listen to music to relax and chill out. Okay, that's number one. And number two, well, what shall we do here? Oh, yeah, yeah. Right, right. Here's another one. See, it's not very hard, is it? No, it's not. It's really simple. This is. It's really simple to do. It doesn't take much effort. To come up with these slogans for your cups, mugs, t-shirts, jackets, hoodies, and whatever else you want to do. Yeah, this is how it's done. It's really simple. You can come up with these logos all day long. You get a main one, and then you can kick off that. So soft music relaxes the mind and the body, right? I cannot look down because I'm not a typist. I'm not. That's the thing with me. I'm not. I'm just an average guy. That's all. That's all I am. So you got to listen to music to relax and chill out. So this is what goes on your shirts, your t-shirts, and all that sort of stuff. Your mugs, um, jackets, hoodies. All this stuff. These clothing and your mugs and stuff and hats, caps. You can put on these logos on them, and what it does, it just reminds people what they need to do. That's all. That's all it does. Even reminds yourself. If you're feeling a bit stressed, you just go and put on a piece of nice soft music, and there you are. Just sit down and relax for a minute, for a while. Listen to that music. So, yeah. What else? Let me see. Listen to music to relax and chill out. Soft music relaxes the mind and the body. Um, Another one. And then another one is the and de-stress, see, and de-stress. So there's 3 I've just come up. De-stress on the fly in front of you, right, like just like that, you see. So I'll show you what I mean. I mean, this is what you do, you know. I can show you what I mean. Yeah, right here. When it loads, computer's a bit slow, but there you are. That's how it is. Taking a while to load the damn picture. Right, so there you are. I mean, oh mate, come on. This is dandy. I'll tell you what, I won't. I'll go back to my original one. We'll come back to this, shall we? There, I'll show you. There you go. There's my account, right, for Printful. I've got a Printful account. Here it is here. And see what I mean? See? And they even show you what the best sellers are. There they are there. Right? There's a t-shirts bestseller, caps, mugs, and there's something else as well. There it is there. You know, so there's 4 things that are best sellers. So you got Printful challenges. You got you know, you got setting up your shop. You see, it's just deciding that it just doesn't want to play ball, and that's all there is to it. No, it just doesn't want to play ball today. And that's that, you know. See, I can't even show you the photo because it won't load it. There we go. I said it too early, didn't I? You know, there you go. There it is there. And there's, you see, there's the hoodie, and there your design here. And I just showed you my account, which I've got you. So you know, show you the best sellers. They also teach you a course and everything else on this, which is really, really good. You know, really good. You know, so like I said, get involved with Printful. They'll help you to succeed. They really will. See, 1 million items shipped every month. So that's a lot of people, a lot of items, isn't it? Really, that's a lot of items. See, and that's you know, there's the and there you go. There's the course. So I start a print-on-demand business. See, we now to start print-on-demand business for beginners. So they teach you what you need to know. See, that's what I'm saying. It's really good. Yeah, really good. Okay, so well now let me see. So yeah. So we go back to the design, and this is what you put on the caps, the hoodies, the jackets, you know, on your mugs. These, you know, you listen to music and to relax and chill out. Soft music relaxes the mind and the body. Use music to relax and just de-stress. So yeah, that's right. So that's what you can do. So you're letting yourself know, and when you're feeling a bit stressed, you can just you know, put on a piece of music and sit down and listen to that and relax for a while. You know, and that's all you have to do. I mean, it's really simple, see? And you put this on t-shirts, caps, mugs, you know, that's what you do. And this differentiates you in the market. That's what it does. So you are different. It makes you unique, which is what you need to be. And because of these logos that you put on those items that, you know, that you Printful supply, see? That's what makes you unique, okay? Now, if you like this video, click the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. So I've shown you a few things here, and just get involved, you know. I mean, it's really simple. It's not that hard. You know, I just did 3 on the fly just in front of you right there. 3. 3 logos, just like that. It's simple. Okay? Thank you for watching. And I'm going to make another video again. I've got some more to do. So I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.